Hi everybody, it's Yavash from PickinPin.net. Today I'm going to show you how to install Haskell on Ubuntu and Windows 10. Let's do it together. First, I install Haskell on Ubuntu because it's very easy. Just open a terminal, type sudo apt install haskell-platform, hit enter, type your password, hit enter again, and it will be done. Okay, clear the screen. To start Haskell command shell, just type GHCI, hit enter, and here it is. Do some math to make sure everything is fine. Okay, let's try some basic command. To clear a screen, you can use this command. If you don't like preload prompt here, you can set it to anything you like. Prompt pick infinity. You can choose your own word, pick infinity. Okay. To exit from this shell, just type :q, hit enter. That's it. Too easy. Okay. Let's install Haskell on Windows. Okay. Before, if you use Debian or Mint, you can do the same as we did for Ubuntu. Fedora and Red Hat have their own command. Okay. Let's install Haskell on Windows. Just hit the link below to open this page. Okay. Open PowerShell. You must open PowerShell as administrator. It's very important. Okay. Before we install Haskell on Windows, we need to configure Chocolatey. Okay. Open this link. Go to this page. First, we need to get execution policy. Okay. We get is if you get restrictor on or anything else, you must bypass execution policy. Okay, to bypass execution policy, use the second command here. Second command, it's work fine for me. Okay, hit enter, yes, and check it again. Okay, you must get bypass. It's ready to configure Chocolatey. Okay, copy this command, paste on command prompt, hit enter and wait. Okay. To check everything is fine, type choco. It must return you the version. Okay. Everything is fine. Okay. Let's install Haskell. Go to previous page. This command for if you want upgrade or uninstall the old version of Haskell if you had. Okay, we don't need to use this, just copy the second command and paste it to your command shell. Hit enter and wait. Okay, it's very important. After everything is finished, you must close. Okay, because the environment variable, you must close the command prompt and open it again. PowerShell, hit enter. You don't need run it as an administrator anymore. Okay, like as Ubuntu, just type GHCI, hit enter, and here it is. Okay, every command is same as Ubuntu, just one different. You can't clear a screen with clear. Okay, you must use CLS to clear a screen. That's it. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend. Take care.